Good morning. We are currently here at our hotel in Taipei, Taiwan. And then today, we're gonna go to Taichung. We're gonna go to the shop or the restaurant where the original bubble tea was invented. The birthplace of bubble tea. Join me. Let's have a quick tour of our hotel. Tea station, lamp, TV, 3 beds for all of us, and of course a wonderful view of the river here in Taipei. This is Riverview Taipei Hotel. So before heading out, we're gonna have our hotel buffet breakfast. We are now at the breakfast place of this hotel at the 12th floor. It says breakfast is at 6:30 a.m. Time check, it is still 6 o'clock. Just relax before we finally have some freshly brewed coffee and Taiwanese and Western breakfast dishes here in Taipei, Taiwan. 你好.
Morning.
Morning.
几号?一起的.
We're together. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, so this is a breakfast place here at the hotel. We have here the food section, salad, bread section, toast, different kinds of bread, cereal, of course, coffee, brewed coffee, juice, and we have here as well porridge, and this one is soy milk, buns, of course buns because we're in Taiwan, and then we have here assorted rice, vegetable egg, braised tofu, sausages, meat section. But more importantly, this breakfast place has a very nice, almost 360 view of the city, particularly the river in Taipei. If you take a look at that, this is our view while you have your breakfast here. So let's have a wonderful breakfast before heading to Taichung, visiting the original shop where bubble tea was invented.
再等5分钟，化妆下楼，醉也许没用。
What are you drinking there? Very nice. So of course, if you're in Taiwan, it is just proper to have milk tea for a wonderful Taiwanese breakfast. Black tea. The tea here is high quality, very good. Some of the best teas in the world. Milk tea. Let's take an Uber to the THSR or the high-speed train here in Taipei, Taiwan. 谢谢. Here's our Uber.这个高铁吗？高铁。高铁。啊，谢谢。谢谢。拜拜。拜拜，再见。Taipei main station. All right, entering the station now. Looking for the high-speed train station. High-speed railway. 你好, this is 高铁. We get a ticket. Code. The code. We get the code.
3-day pass.
Yes. No, not 3-day pass. Just one.
One?
One.
Ticket counter, take a ticket.
Where's the ticket counter?
Go straight and turn left.
Okay. Thank you. We already booked online, so we're just gonna redeem the ticket here at the ticket counter. HSR tickets. All right. So we have here. Redeem the ticket. Okay.
Passport.
Sorry, this is not the.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Your passport.
Everything? Ay, dito lang daw lahat passport.
好吧，那我不懂，那我刷 Apple Pay。
Okay. Today, 946 Taipei to Taichung, 6 person.
Thank you so much. Let's go. Go Tie. Here.
Yes.
So just insert. Scan. Okay.
Ay, panangguus. Basta wala imadumi.
Anong platform tayo? While waiting for the train, let's have this sugarless green tea, Taiwanese green tea, while waiting for a train because we're in Taiwan. So let us take advantage of this place having wonderful tea. We're now going to the platform. We are on platform 1. Ano platform tayo? Platform 1. 1B. 1B, tara. Platform 1. Car 5 tayo. Ayun o. Car 5. Here comes our train. Let's board. Looking for 8, number 8, 8, which is I think 8A, window,
8, 9, sorry.
si River. Sige. Dito sa River. We are now departing Taipei, bound for Taichung in this bullet train. We're looking for the restaurant car. Restaurant car?
No, we just have touring, no restaurant.
No restaurant car here?
Yes, we have touring.
Oh, I see, I see.
Platform gap when alighting.
This Taiwanese bullet train is very clean, very beautiful, very efficient, nice amenities, awesome. One of the cleanest trains I've experienced. Let's check the bathroom. This is the bathroom, the toilet. It is very clean. Very clean toilet they have. Even a hand dryer. Wash area. We are in Taichung now. Let's go. Rain.
Please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you.
Gamit. Bye bye, bye bye. Finish na yun.
Ganun sa jungle check.
Mag-thank you ka. Xie xie.
Thank you.
We're now in Taichung, about to go to the shop of the original milk tea or bubble tea. This is the Taichung train station. It's very clean as always. Air conditioned, full air conditioned. It is full air conditioned. Chỉ có lá bù lai à? Lá 一点点 or 啦很的？一点点的啦。OK。
OK。
OK 啊，好吃吗？
好吃。
OK， 谢谢。Cold brewed tea 好喝吗
能泡茶嘞？
？Cold brewed tea 茶，
对，它是茶。
不要可乐，不要这个。
那就这个。
是不？我要这个茶。
好，145。
145。
嗨。
145 OK， 这个钱。
好。
可以吗？钱。谢谢，我的中文不好。
可以，很好，很好。
对不起啊。
很好。
Sabi niya magaling din yung Chinese ko. Sabi ko hindi naman. Oh, 这个没有米饭啊？
饭吗？
有没有？
没有，饭要额外。
Oh, gusto niyo ng kanin?
May kanin naman.
Ah, okay. 15 yung kanin. 米饭不免费啊？
没有。Number。
OK，
OK。
哦，你的英语很好啊，number 啊。
一点点。
Thank you.
Lunchtime here in Taichung, Taiwan. So we have here beef tenderloin, Taiwanese food, and chicken breast. Same chicken breast and kung pao chicken. And we're still waiting for his order, which is fried chicken. Why do you like fried chicken? Because.
Manipis.
Okay. What are you drinking? Winter melon.
Parang siyang coco tea.
Oh, parang coco rin, medyo. Si Ronan marunong na oh. Ni hao. Chun Shui Tang. 好啊。春水堂是吗？
对，春水堂。
啊，春水堂的 boba 奶茶好喝吗？
Very good。
哦 ，Your English is
相
good。
当的好喝。
你会说中文吗？你会英语吗？
一点点。
一点点。我的中文不好。你的英语很好。
春水堂的这家波霸奶茶是台湾的奶茶的发源地哦。
真的吗？
对，它是从你们要去的这个四维店的春水堂发扬光大起来。
哦，甜的吗？
啊，甜的对。
对身体很好是吗？
它生意非常好。
这个台中是吗？
这是台中市。
台中 OK 吗？
台中 OK。
哦。今天下雨？
对，
下雨吗？
在那边有下雨。对。
你去过菲律宾吗？
没有。
今天台湾好热。
哦，对，最近只要没有下雨，天气都很闷热。
冰的和热的。
它的珍珠就是很 Q 弹，很有口感哦。然后它的奶香浓厚。
热的OK 吗？好的吗？
我没有喝过热的，只喝过冰的。
冰的 OK 啊？
对，冰的 OK。
Mas okay daw malamig yung yung milk tea kaysa mainit. Kasi may mainit din silang sinaserve. 冰的好喝是吗？
冰的好喝。
热的
喝起来
马马虎虎。
热的可能喝起来它的珍珠遇热的话，它会变得太软烂，就没有咬起来没有口感。
没有 boba。
对，就没有口感。
Wala daw sago. We are now here at a shop or the tea house where the bubble milk tea or boba was invented. This is in Taichung, a city in Taiwan, in a tea house called Shui Tang. This is the original tea house, the original place, and exactly where bubble tea was invented. Awesome. Yes, please, inside. As you can see, the building is very simple. Traditional Chinese architecture. And on top is an apartment. So I think it's kind of like maybe a house or a residential area before that they converted into a tea house. Kind of like a homemade thing. But this is the actual shop where bubble tea was invented. We're gonna try the original recipe of bubble tea. Alright, here comes our order. That's for her. Yes, thank you. Here comes our order. This is the original recipe where bubble tea was invented.
Bubble tea small.
Small, okay.
Small 2 and
Small.
medium 3.
Okay.
Laki pala ng
Yes, medium. This is small. Small na lang sana. Thank you so much. This is original, yeah?
Yes.
Good. Thank you. Okay, time to taste. Alright, so we are now trying the original milk tea where milk tea was invented. Bubble tea was invented. The tea is really high quality. It's good, yeah?
Ito yun. Different kasi pareha mag-rumble sila.
What can you say about the tea? Original bubble tea. How about you? Can you feel the tea? Black. Hindi, wag na. Para talagang timplado. Hindi. Kasi 30% natin. Parang koko. Sa?
Yung sa street, yung sa gilid-gilid yung, di ba yung kumain tayo ng restaurant tapos may binibili natin.
Oo. Eh, black tea man yun. Black tea man ang ginagamit dito. The tea house is really beautiful. You can see here high quality wood, even the chairs, some calligraphy. Rain. Calligraphy. Hirap yan.
当晚或者是1-2个小时就马上生了，所以我的旁边有出了